So yan, magandang araw sa inyo mga kapatid. So ngayong araw na to, pupunta kami ni Bunso sa town center. Ano lang kami, magbabas kami. Kasi we're going to surprise mommy. We're gonna buy flowers and chocolate para sa Valentine. Saka magdi-dinner na rin kami sa labas kasama ng aking pamilya. Ayan. Simpleng celebration lang to mga kapatid. No, mami? Anak? Ayan, yung kasama ko.
Buy mommy some chocolate and some flowers.
For Valentine.
Valentine.
At ganyan naman mga kapatid. So pretty oh. Ayan si Bunso kasama ko. Nagkantay kami ng bus mga kapatid. Kasi mamaya susunduin kami ni mami doon. And then diretso na kami doon sa restaurant kung saan kami magse-celebrate ng Valentine's. Ayan, simpleng celebration lang ng aming pamilya. Hindi naman magarbo. So ayan, sama kayo sa amin. So ito yung antay ng bus dito sa lugar namin mga kapatid oh. Every 15 minutes dumarating yung bus. Yan si Bunso kasama ko. And yung oras ng bus, every 15 minutes yung bus sa amin. Kasi medyo matao tong lugar namin. Kaya yung bus every 15 minutes. Pero kapag yung hindi na masyado matao yung lugar, 30 minutes, minsan isang oras. So ayan.
50 minutes or 5 more minutes?
Antay mo na kami ng bus. Ayan si Kulit. Kasama ko si Kulit. O yan si Bunso. Mama dali si Bunso. And si Kuya. Let's get some flowers for mommy, quick! So, bibili lang kami ng bulaklak para kay Mrs. Tsaka chocolate. Okay, Sophia may bulaklak na siya. Pink, come on! Station will look for flowers for...
Roses are red, violets are blue. They are so beautiful.
Well, there's some more flowers here.
I'm thinking.
How about chocolate?
No. I'm thinking since roses are red and violets are blue, why don't we get them?
It's up to you. That one. Give it to Kuya. Kuya will give it to mommy. Oh, hold it. So, ayan, chocolate. Flowers naman kay Patient. Let's go and find a chocolate. We got flowers for both of you.
Technically, since you picked the box and whatever it says, these are your gifts.
Let's go. You pay for it na. Ayan. Ka ng dalawang magkapatid. Excited ang dalawa na bigyan si mami nila ng bulaklak saka chocolate. Kakatuwa naman. Nakakatuwa. So ayan, nag-aantay si Mrs. sa loob ng sasakyan. So surprised daw na ang dalawa. Yes. Oh, look. You surprised mommy. You hide it. Hide it. Oh.
We picked out some stuff and Daddy picked out. We picked out.
Oh, you kiss mommy and hug. Happy Heart Day. Oh, mommy.
Happy Heart Day. Happy Heart Day, mommy.
Oh, get inside now. We're gonna go for dinner.
Watch that car.
So, ayan. Konting ano na kami. Kain. celebration kami ng Valentine. Kakain muna kami dito. Ayun, robot. Look at that. So ayan, dito kami magsa-celebrate ng Valentine's Day. Ayan yung mga pagkain. Tapos, sinusundan namin yung robot eh. Ito yung paborito naming buffet restaurant dito eh, sa Reading. Ayan. Hello, robot. So ayan, paborito namin dito. Yun yun naman, ang daming pagkain. Spia, ang dami. Pagpipilian. Mommy's calling you. So ayan yung akin. Sushi, siopaw, station. Sophia. Si Mami kumukuha pa. So pagbalik niya, ayan, sarap. So ayan, round 2. Hipon, spare ribs, kanin. Ayan. Si Mami ganun din. Station round 2 rin. Ayan, Sophia.
What is that?
You like it here in Cosmo?
Yeah.
You love it? The food? Good.
Daddy, and what is this?
It's a prawn.
I want that one.
Okay. So ayan, tapos na yung simpleng celebration namin. Uwi na kami. Look at your face, anak. The ice cream on your face.
I'm getting the ice cream.
Station, you know, lamig kasi talaga. Sobrang lamig. It's very cold. Kahit malapit na mag-March, talagang malamig pa rin. Like an ice cream on your face. It's so loud. Aking prinsesa. Oh, Mommy, happy heart today. So ayan, maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin. Salamat po.